Greetings all and welcome to a quick video to show you the production of a roofing RAMS at speed. So we're on the Eor main dashboard, we want to click on projects and we want to start a new project. We then need to assign our premises that's in charge of the project, our project leader, we'll put that down as John Smith, and then our works lead or supervisor, and we'll put that as Joe Bloggs. Let's give the project a title. And give it a start date, so it will start next week and it will go on for a few months. Are we working under a principal contractor? Yes we are, so let's select them from the list and then let's select the principal contractor's lead contact on site, aka the site manager. Let's put in a brief description of the project. This is what the principal contractor is carrying out on site. And then let's add in a project address. And now that we've added the address and all of the main project details, we're ready to add in the method statement. Let's give the method statement a title. And then let's fill in some of these orange boxes. I'm not going to fill them in full, but I'll just give you a demonstration of how they are filled in. So this generic risk assessments button, we want to click on that and we want to work down the list and select the risk assessments that are relevant to the project. So we want general roofing works, slips, trips and falls, exposure to hand-arm vibration, exposure to noise, and a few of these roofing ones, so battening, felting, dry verges, and let's do some lead flashing and manual handling of lead rolls. That's the risk assessments added into the project. Let's add in some of the cost assessments that are relevant. So wood dust, silica dust, patination oil and lead mate. And the last orange box that we're going to look at are the arrangements. Again, we're not going to fill them in full. So communication methods, let's type in here site induction, RAMS briefing, and toolbox talks. Delivery of material is put in some generic spiel there for us. We can modify this at our leisure. Let's pick a couple more here. The nearest hospital, let's add in the nearest hospital. And then let's add in some information about manual handling. Again, it's put some information in there for us and we can modify that as we so wish. We then want to add in a brief description as to what this RAMS relates to. So we'll add that in there, and as we can see, this RAMS relates to roofing works on plots 1 to 20, including garage roofs. The next step is the sequence of operations or the safe method of work. And we can either add that completely from scratch, or because our roofing works are very much the same on each of the projects that we work on, we can add that from one of our templates. So let's click on previous method statement. Let's scroll down to one of our templates. We've got one there for template standard roofing. Click on that. We can scroll through it and check all of the steps. We can also modify the steps as we so wish if we need to. We click add, and now they're all added in to the project. So just to show you a few examples of what's included, we've got entering the site, a pre-start check for asbestos, a pre-start check for slips, trips and falls, delivering the tools and materials to the work area, etc, etc. These are all completely modifiable and can be set up to suit how your company does works. We can assist you with that if necessary. That effectively is the RAMS produced. All that's left to do is to print it out. So we click on the print button and we wait for that to build. And now that it's built, it's saved onto our desktop. We can click on that here. We've got the method statement for roofing plots 1 to 20. And in this folder, we've got the actual method statement itself, which very briefly looks something a bit like that. And then we have got the accompanying risk assessments and the accompanying cost assessments as well. As said earlier, this is all completely modifiable and can be set up to suit exactly how your company carries out its works. And if you'd like some more information, please get in contact via the website, which can be found just here where the mouse is, www.eor.app. Many thanks. For more information, visit our website at www.eor.app.